Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson we'll be drawing Slinky Dog from Toy Story. So we start on the left side of the page with the nose. Let's start by drawing an oval. So start right in the center, go around the left side, go back up towards the top. Now along the top we're going to draw a smaller oval for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black and we want to go around that highlight. Now from here we're going to wrap the muzzle around the nose. Let's start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that down. Now we're going to create a fold, so we're going to step back up, bend this up, and then pull that in. Now I'm going to curve this up towards the middle, just underneath the nose, coming down and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to step up, going up, round out the muzzle, come down and pull that in toward the center. Let's open up the mouth, starting back over on the left side. We're going to come down, round out the chin, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's trace this along the inside. Now along the top, we're going to add the tongue, starting on the left, curve this down, and then up. Now I move up to the top and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start on the left side, just above the muzzle. Go all the way around. Around the side, and then back in. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we're going to step over, come down towards the same height, go up, and then down. Let's add the eyelids on the left side, bend this out, and then down. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down. Now I'm going to pull the pupils towards the inside. So we're going to draw a smaller circle just underneath the eyelid. Do the same thing on the right. Now along the top left side of each pupil, add a small circle for a highlight. Now we're going to fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now that we complete the face, let's draw a large circle for the head. We're going to start on the left side. We go up and out, go up above the eyes, come down the right side. Now we're going to bend that in towards the mouth. Now along the top, we're going to add two curves to the eyebrows. Let's start with the one on the left. Going up and then down. Line this up on the right side. Now with the face complete, let's draw the ears along the side. We'll start on the left. Start by going up, bend this down and in. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to bend that back out. Let's line this up on the right, just above the eyebrow, going up, wrap this around the head, and then bend that out towards the end. Now I want to round out the end of the ears, coming around and then up. Now the ears get thinner as they come back up towards the top. We're going to follow that same curve, go around the head, go up, and then bend that down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar. On the left side of the chin, draw a circle, going all the way around, and then back up on the right. Let's trace that along the inside. Just underneath the collar, we're going to draw a small rectangle. Start with a straight line going across, come down the sides, and we'll close that off. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the body. Just above the collar, goes out, and then in. And place the legs on top of the body. So let's add those sockets. From here, bend this in and then down. And we'll close off the bottom of the body with a curve, coming down and up. Now from these 2 points, we're going to draw the inside of the leg. Start with a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the feet. And I'll round out the feet. Let's start with the left side. We're going to come down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to draw a half circle, going up toward the top, and then bend that down towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the outside point, draw a straight line coming all the way down toward the top of the feet. Let's separate the toes with two curves on the top, going out and then down. Step in, and just follow that same curve. Now with the front of the body in place, let's draw the Slinky. We're going to start from the top of the body, bend this down around the ear, and then pull that up towards the back. Now come all the way down towards the side of the leg, draw that same curve. I'm just going to line this up. Let's connect the top and bottom, bend this around, and then back in. Let's add that texture inside. We're going to start right in the middle, bend this out, then over towards the left. Let's split the right side in half. Going around. We're going to do the same thing on the left. Let's repeat that. So splitting this section in half with another curve. And then working our way out toward the sides. And then we can do that one more time. In between. Now let's draw the back of the body. From this top point, we're going to step in, going up, follow that curve going around the outside, come down, and then up underneath the body. Now halfway along this curve, right here, draw a straight line going out, go back up to the top, bend this out, and then down towards a point. Let's go back to this area in here and draw on the leg. We'll start with a curve, like a half circle going up and then down. Now from the right side, bend the leg coming in and then out towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. From the front, let's draw the half circle for the foot, going up and then back down towards the heel. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to follow that same curve for the front of the leg, coming down on top of the foot. And it'll separate the leg right in the middle with a curve. Let's do the same thing we did across the front. We're going to separate the toes with two curves on the left side of the foot. Now let's go back up to the top of this point, step in, bend this down, in behind the leg. Now from this bottom curve, come in behind the front. Let's duplicate that leg in behind the body. So we're going to start up here, bend this out, and then down towards the same height. Round up the foot, curve the foot going up, and then down towards the heel. Now just like we did on the right side, we're going to add some thickness to the leg, add a curve across, and it'll separate the toes with two curves. Now let's go back to the top of the body. We're going to draw in the tail. So we're going to start here, bend this out and back in. Now at the top, we're going to draw a circle for the end of the tail. Let's move over and draw that same curve coming back in towards the body. Now I want to add that same pattern across the tail, but we're going to start from the bottom, add a curve, and then just work our way up towards the top, leaving even spaced gaps in between. And it'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Slinky Dog from Toy Story. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.